This is the basic instructions how to use this one. Actually, it comes with the 3 color, and actually this is the 3 resistance. So this is a little pouch. You can put this one in. This is light, this is medium, this is heavy. So the band's quality is very good. It's firm and it's a little bit tough. Even the lights, I think, is good for a leg strength. And here they use very heavy stitches. And this is a medium. It's still thicker. It's definitely, I cannot open it by myself, by my arm. This is only for legs. It's even heavier, very strong and very good quality. Let me see. I'm gonna use all my strengths. No way. All right, I think if you just started, don't try hard, you know, just go from the light, and if you're quite fit, you can go from medium. And this is, I say that it's not for everybody. So for me, I cannot, I'm pretty strong, but that's all I can do from my arm, but I don't know how it feels on the leg. It definitely very impressive for the price. I mean, for this one, you see, it's constant. It's not like the you pull very easily open. It's constantly hotter. So it burns a lot. If you're gonna stay at home or just do some practice, I think this is a very affordable and effective way to exercise. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.